Okay, welcome to the episode 2 of the Mango People Show. And आज की जो guest है, she is my colleague. We work in the same company. Her name is Divya Shenoy, and she spoke about her love for paintings and lockdown उसे कैसे help किया to start the painting again, जो कि बहुत पीछे छूट गया था because of work, studies. So guys, enjoy this podcast, and if you want to be the part of this show, then DM me on Instagram. Link आपको description में मिल जाएगा. And अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो डू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन, प्रेस द बेल आइकन, एंड अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना. Hey Divya, welcome to the second episode of the Mango People Show. So क्या चल रहा है फिर लॉकडाउन में?
Hey Sumit, well thanks for inviting. लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. I mean काम का प्रेशर भी है, घर का प्रेशर भी रहता है. The only good thing is बैंगलोर का ट्रैफिक अवॉइड कर सकती हूँ मैं अभी.
Yeah, true. बैंगलोर का ट्रैफिक इज लाइक वो किसी अलग लेवल का है. So कि जब मैं कॉलेज के टाइम था, like 10 years back, तब तो बेरेबल ट्रैफिक होता था. बट अभी जब मैं शिफ्ट किया था ना, like 3 years back in 2017, so I used to go to मेरा ऑफिस है HSR लेआउट में, and like 22 kilometers ट्रैवल करने में used to take me like 1.5 hours. But yeah, Mumbai का भी same case.
I mean I stay at Hebbal and workplace is at Koramangala. You had come there, no? तो मेरा एयरपोर्ट के पास होता है.
Right.
ऑफिस जाने के टाइम it is fine. It takes me about an hour, but वापस आने के टाइम it takes about 2.5 hours and completely exhausting रहता है. Can't imagine getting back into that thing now.
Don't think is तो अच्छा ही होगा कि ट्रैफिक ऑफिस एक्चुअली नहीं जाना, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, सो जो ऑफिस जाने का टाइम है ना वो थोड़ा सा, बट या लेट्स सी. और वो भी ज्यादा दिन तक अच्छा नहीं लगता है. इनिशियली अच्छा लग रहा था, बट अब इट्स लाइक कि घर से एटलीस्ट निकलना तो चाहिए.
Yes, that is there, but as you see productivity increase हो गया है.
तो फिर और लॉकडाउन में how are you spending your time?
Weekdays I'm busy with my office का काम, घर का काम, all those things. Weekends I have started painting again, which is which is like interesting. Nowadays I'm looking forward for my weekends. पहले क्या था, अरे घर साफ करो ये सब, but nowadays everything weekdays पे ही हो रहा है. As I said, productivity in every ways it has increased. So weekends पे I'm giving time to myself now. जो whatever I'm interested in, maybe beautifying this house, improving my skills, trying out new things, cooking के हिसाब से भी, we are doing that. Yes.
Trying out new foods, new dishes.
Yes. जो हम normal days पे नहीं कर पा रहे, वो अभी quarantine के टाइम कर रहे हैं.
वो ऐसा ही है कि पहले normal days में ऐसा होता था कि कुछ भी खाने का मन करता था. You used to go out in the restaurant, but abhi I think most of the people they are trying at home. YouTube से देख कर सब कुछ घर पे ही बना रहे हैं, क्या नहीं बना रहे हैं. So that day saw on your Instagram that I've seen before also कि you do paintings, right?
Yes.
And you've started, as you told कि you started about the Madhubani painting that day we were talking about.
Yeah. So
yeah. So I was asking कि Madhubani painting is from Bihar, right? It's a very famous painting. ये तो मुझे पता है. So how come कि you got in, मतलब वो कहाँ से you learned that? Because like you're from South.
I'm from Mangalore.
Okay.
I grew up in Mumbai though. After my 10th standard, we shifted here, Bangalore. So yeah, basically I'm a South Indian who can speak Marathi well.
So how do you how did you get in touch with that Madhubani painting and all?
Painting, it has been in me. Like, my mom is an artist. She's been teaching a lot. She teaches, she takes these drawing classes. बच्चों को सिखाती है. There are ladies who come in the afternoons, after all their household work and everything. They used to come घर पे to learn embroidery, be it mural, फिर oil paintings, everything. She teaches all kind of paintings, embroidery, bread craft, ये सब. So वो पहले से ही अंदर वो क्या बोलते inculcate कर हुआ था मेरे इसमें. And because of her, I could give intermediate elementary examinations. Madhubani is a part of whatever I have done.
Okay.
Now, if you see Madhubani, as you said, it is from Bihar. The thing is, wahan na un log, they use fingerprints, they use matchsticks, and they use basically all geometrical designs to do it.
Okay.
Abhi, supposing if they are drawing a fish, so they'll be using a lot of geometrical designs to do that fish painting. So abhi, now if you see this pot,
Right.
you can make out these are all the geometrical designs, but you can make out that it is an elephant.
Yeah, it's an elephant. It looks like an elephant, yeah. But but it's like a geometrical design mein, right?
Yes, and un log twigs, because it's a very old art, it's a very traditional art. So people have पहले कहाँ से brush वगैरह रहता था, so they used to use all these twigs, matchsticks, फिर homemade dyes, fingerprints to do all that. ये भी थोड़ा modernized हो गया है.
So this is a kind of painting you do, or like other kinds of painting also you do?
I do a lot of different things now. My husband, he is the one who makes me all do this, paintings and all that. So हमने साथ में बैठ के we did this once decoupage.
Okay, this looks nice.
Yeah, so this is actually an alcohol ka bottle. Okay. So we painted it and we have made this decoupage. ये साथ में बनाया था हमने. We try all this. और फिर जब मैं मम्मी के घर में रहती हूँ, I try out the things which she teaches. So if you see, this is made out of coffee.
This is made out of coffee?
Yes. Yeah. I'll get it closer. If you see the borders, these are all gold ka glitter paints, which we get in the craft store. But if you see all the other lines, these are all coffee. So you make shades of coffee and you draw using that.
Oh, okay, nice. This is very nice.
Yeah. So it was very interesting. I always wanted to do that. She's been teaching that for a very long time. So, and then I did this. I actually I had been to a workshop. So this painting is basically done using a knife. Craft में एक knife painting करके रहता है. Okay. So if you touch, it is not actually smooth enough. You can feel the paint because we use the knife to do all these shades.
Okay. Nice.
So we have been doing all this, chota mota, trying to improve my skills and all that. For quarantine ki time, what I basically had in mind is, as I said, weekdays पे I never used to get time. Weekends पे, बाकी सब काम रहता है. So quarantine के time I decided कि हर एक जो मीडिया रहता है, except for oil painting, हर एक मीडिया I want to try whatever is available at home.
Right.
So I tried acrylics, I tried oil pastels, I tried watercolors, and then I tried pencil colors. I was very hesitant, I was very reluctant because एक doubt रहता है, will I be able to do it? But then I sat, नहीं मुझे करना ही है, I want to get back to my hobby.
I know.
So I figured out that.
You have to take the first step. You have to take the first step, right? So I think for me also, it's like the same. For example, about starting this series, मैं कितने टाइम से plan कर रहा था कि I have to start. But when I started the first episode last week, so I thought कि नहीं अब इसको continue करना है. So you have to take the first step, then you should keep on going. And actually, what this is the time which we have got, to learn all those things, or maybe जो हमें अच्छा लगता था, but because of job and other responsibilities हम कर नहीं पाते थे. And this is the time we can just start doing in cooking, drawing like you, and making videos. This is the time.
True. For me, I needed a big push. To be honest, it was my husband who supported me, who made me do this. He was like, no, you have to do it, because skills पूरे waste हो रहे हैं. And plus, as I told that he's all into this creative thing.
Right.
So वो first step, he inspired me, he supported me. उसने वो that push दिया था.
And also
because of him I've been trying out. He'll be showing me all the new pictures. It's like try out this, you can do it. So एक दो ऐसा डिजाइन करने के टाइम I'll be like अरे मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है ये, because I always used to tell that I'm very bad at drawing human figures. But then he was the one, no, you can do it. So
nice.
That's how things complete हो रहे थे.
What's your plan? Like, do you want to take it like maybe like as in you want to start selling it, or maybe you want to start teaching kids in Bangalore?
I don't mind. A lot of people have actually told me to do that. They're like, start your own Insta page,
right.
Teach kids during the weekends, because I stay in a very big complex.
Right.
So yeah, so there are many kids around. So weekends pe at least you do 1 hour of classes. Even we'll come, you teach us whatever you know. So वो भी एक तरह से
yeah, after the lockdown you can start on weekends.
Yes, but I want to go to a proper class. I mean, I can't travel all the way back to my mom's house because उनका भी घर यहाँ से 2 घंटे दूर है. So I can't go there. But I told my husband, I'm getting I'm doing this weekend course at Chitrakala Parishad. I'm learning those oil paintings and all, jo professionally, people do it. So I like itne din when things were normal, we were like aaram se, we were very laid back.
Right.
But now you are like, okay, you are regretting. Are aisa agar future mein continue hua to, so it's like the next step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to learn new things.
No,
whatever I want to do.
I truly agree with you. When जब सब कुछ ठीक था, so we used to take things for granted. So Divya, it was nice talking to you. Thanks for coming in the episode 2. And चलो फिर कभी मिलते हैं. If I come to Bangalore, we'll definitely meet.
Thanks a lot, Sumit, for inviting.